Hi, I'm Jennifer Schell, the author of the BC Wine Lovers Cookbook, and today I'm in sunny Duncan on Vancouver Island at Grouse Estate Winery. I'm going to be speaking with the owner, Paul Bruner, and preparing his delicious cured salmon recipe from the cookbook. We're going to be talking about all of the amazing wines that he's making here and tasting the sparkling Paula. Come with me. Thank you for having me.
Hey, thanks for coming.
I'm so excited to make this beautiful cured salmon that we have featured in the BC Wine Lovers Cookbook. Why don't you tell us how you put this together?
I would mix my salt and I use demerara sugar if I can find it. I then put in a full spoonful of cinnamon, which gives it a beautiful smell, and I put in a tablespoon of black pepper. And then I mix that really well. And then it's nested in there, and then I'll put my very thinly sliced oranges on top of the fish, and then I often will just throw some dill, and maybe dill and jalapeno. I chop it up and I take the veins and everything out and just throw it on there.
And what's not included in the cookbook that I got to try that was so delicious was your famous Feta cheese sauce. Love that. And you said that you like to use a local cheese, which is great.
If I can get it, I use Hot Whistle.
So it's like a marinated Feta. And luckily in BC we have so many cheesemakers, so do source your local cheesemaker to find a Feta if you can. So yes, and of course it pairs perfectly with Paula.
Thank you.
So I can't wait to taste this with the winemaker, Bailey.
And Bailey will be very pleased to tell you all about how he made it and why he made it. I like to say it's a traditional made sparkling wine with non-traditional grapes. It's something pretty special.
It really is. Cheers.
Salut.
Hi, Bailey.
Hi, Jennifer. Nice to see you.
So nice to see you. Bailey's been in the wine industry in the Okanagan and the island for how many years?
My first harvest was in 2000.
Tell me about your wine program here.
The wine program here has been developed in consultation with Paul and with an eye toward what we think the Cowichan can do best, which is the sparkling wine, method traditional, and Pinot Noir, and perhaps Chardonnay. We're gonna test drive the Chardonnay plantings.
Oh, yay.
So we'll see what goes on with that.
So the Paula Bubbly, which we have right here, tell me about the winemaking behind it.
The Paula Sparkling is untraditional grape varieties. We wanted to use stuff that was on the estate, but we didn't have enough Pinot Noir and we had no Chardonnay to do the traditional blend. So we looked at what we had. We have a small block of Müller-Thurgau, which lends itself quite well to sparkling, and also Pinot Gris, I believe, can make very good sparkling as well. And then we have Ortega, and that all found its way in, I think, in this inaugural vintage.
So what do you think makes the Paula pair so perfectly with this dish?
Love.
Always love, right? Cooking with love.
That's it. It is. You know.
Yeah.
It's and it's also because it's named after the product of love.
Yes. And sparkling goes well with everything.
It does.
When in doubt, you pair with sparkling.
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go.
Look at this.
Fantastic.
That looks beautiful.
Well, let's hope it tastes something like it looks.
Fabulous. cured salmon a la Paul Brunner, as well as his beautiful marinated feta. Cheers, everybody.
Mmm.